Hi everyone, I am Priyanka Jain. I am a verified educator at the Unacademy Plus platform, and there is a big news for all of you. We are starting a course, a theory course for the inorganic chemistry for the CSIR NET as well as GATE exams. For both the exams this will be, and here we will cover unit 1st, unit 2nd and unit 3rd. In unit 1st you will see whole the periodic trends, whole the properties. In unit 2nd you will see whole about the bonding in the homo and heteronuclear molecules. Whatever you need you will see here with the questions. Okay, and in the 3rd unit you will see acid and bases and non-aqueous solvents. All the things will be cleared here, and there will also be doubt session, and this course will be in Hindi, and the course is starting from 11th of October. Okay, so if you want to see this course, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the Unacademy platform, and then you have to click on my code. My code is Priyanka Jain 10, Priyanka Jain 10. Okay, if you are clicking on my code you will get a 10% discount on the subscription. And here is a special thing for you. In the special classes you have an opportunity to raise the hands. By raising your hand you can clear your doubts in the live session. So subscribe the Unacademy. Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. I am Priyanka Jain and you are watching our mark booster questions from the GATE 2020. So here I am giving you a solution from the enzyme catalyzed reaction. Okay, I have already told you about the enzyme catalyzed reactions mechanism, about the Michaelis-Menten reaction, and all about the whatever questions are asked in the CSIR NET or GATE exam about the enzyme catalyzed reaction. I have made whole videos. Okay, so if you want to see that videos you can click on our playlist and you can watch the videos of enzyme catalyzed reaction. Okay, so firstly see here what is the question. For an enzyme catalyzed reaction, the plot of inverse of initial rate against the inverse of initial substrate concentration is linear with slope 0.16 second and intercept is equal to 2.12 moles inverse 1 liter second. Okay, the estimated value of Michaelis constant in moles per liter is. Okay, so here we have to find out the Michaelis constant Km. Okay, so firstly understand what is the basic of the enzyme catalyzed reaction. Okay, for the whole reaction you can watch our videos, but here I am giving you in the short way. In the first step what happens, the enzyme react with the substrate. Okay, and it forms the enzyme substrate complex, right? And in the next step it forms the enzyme plus product. Okay, in this step here the rate constant is k1, and at this step the rate constant is k inverse 1. Okay, and in the next step the rate constant is k2. Okay, so this is the mechanism. Okay, so we have given three rate constants k1, and for the reversible reaction k inverse 1, and for this step it is k2, right? Okay, now when you solve this there is a derivation for it. Okay, I am not giving here the derivation. For derivation you can see our video of the Michaelis-Menten reaction or enzyme catalyzed reaction. Okay, here I am giving you the rate is given by K2 concentration of E naught and concentration of substrate. Here E naught is the concentration of the enzyme in the initial state, and this S is the concentration of substrate. Okay, and divided by Km plus S, concentration of the substrate. Okay, here Km is the Michaelis constant that we have to find out. Okay, so now in the question you have given the plot of inverse of initial rate. It means if we are plotting a graph between 1 upon R, okay, and inverse of initial substrate, it means 1 upon S. If we are plotting a graph, okay, we are getting a straight line. Okay, the slope of this line is equal to 0.16 second, right, and intercept is equal to 2.12 mole inverse 1 and liter second. Okay, this is the unit. So this thing is given to us, right? These two things are given to us. Okay, so how we have to do? Just inverse this reaction. So you are getting 1 upon R is equal to Km plus S divided by K2 concentration of E naught S. Okay, now what you have to do? Just you have to separate these terms. So you are getting Km upon K2 E naught S plus S upon K2 E naught S. Okay. So what happens? This will cancel out this. So we can write it in this manner. 1 upon R is equal to Km upon K2 concentration of E naught, concentration of S plus 1 upon K2 concentration of E naught. Okay. Now you can compare this reaction with the equation of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. We have plotted the graph between this. This will be x, this will be y, and this value will be equal to slope m. It means m, or we can say slope is equal to km upon k2 E naught. Okay, and this value is given to us 0.16 second. Another thing that we have given is the intercept. So intercept will be equal to 1 upon k2 E naught, and this value is equal to 2.12, right? So now we can put this value. This value we can put here. This is 1 upon k2 E naught. Okay, so we can put here the value. So what we are getting, just you have to put the value. Okay, so you will get km into 2.12 is equal to 0.16. So km will be equal to 0.16 divided by 2.12. It means it will be equal to 0.075 mole per liter. Okay, so this will be your answer. This is the Michaelis constant. Okay, if you are putting here the values of the unit, if you are putting here the unit terms, then you can get that the unit will be same. Okay, you will get the same unit. So in this way you have to do this type of questions, and I have done all the questions of the enzyme catalyzed reaction. If you want to see that videos, you can go to our channel and you can watch that videos. Thank you.